Hello and welcome to Homes for Use Tenant Tips. Today I will be showing you how to maintain some of the appliances within your property. Most refrigerator temperature settings are controlled with a dial or slider. They are often labelled 1 to 5 or 1 to 9. If you're not sure what setting to choose, then set it somewhere in the middle. Usually the higher the number on the temperature control dial, the colder the temperature of your refrigerator will get. By keeping your filter free from blockages, you can prevent the buildup of water, which is often to blame for faults, leaks and water damage to both your machine and kitchen floor. To clean, turn off the washer and unscrew the filter cap. Be careful of any water pouring out. Then pull out the fluff and debris, rinsing and soaking the filter if the debris is hard to remove. Finally, replace the filter and ensure it is screwed back securely. Many appliance manuals can get lost over the years in rented properties. Most major appliance manufacturers will have downloadable manuals on their websites. If you check the make and model inside your appliance, you should be able to find a guide online. If you can't find one, then please contact Homes for You.